Kevin Stein off 30th Avenue and 52nd Street in front of Deco Dine. Jeder weiß, they fence to do. This is like the night activity in Boro Park. Jeder can kick them. Like beautiful, beautiful windows on the beautiful stuff. It's like a night activity, a day activity. They have gorgeous glass windows with the most beautiful stuff in the windows. But now let's go check out inside the store. Wo sei oben? Gagit Reb Yoel.
Agit Reb Chaim, how are you?
Reb Hashem, I said, till now, we always looked out on the window always when we passed by what's going on. Now we want to look inside the store. We want to show the oilem what is inside Decodine. So you only do them at hand. Let's go.
Yes, Decodine is a beautiful high-end gift shop that everybody knows. We offer all type of gift needs. We do all type of gift wrapping. That means all type of gift ideas. Some you want to admire someone in business. You want to admire someone. You want to go to your mechitten. You want to give for your chus, for your kala, a moving gift, a hostess gift, or anything for nice for your house. We specialize. We have everything and anything. We do same-day gift wrapping. We have a store in Brooklyn. We have a store in Upstate. You can order a gift here to have it delivered there, or the opposite. Same day.
Order Upstate and have it delivered here in Brooklyn.
Yes. Any place you are, we got you covered.
Got you covered all over.
Just send me a WhatsApp. You have it the same day delivered.
WhatsApp. Chabanua 2025. I WhatsApp ngendig. And you can send back pictures.
Sure, we send you all type of pictures. We work according to your budget. We have a beautiful line of fashion jewelry.
Beautiful. I mean, everything over here is beautiful.
These are known as Baccarat. Everybody knows.
The famous Baccarat line you have. Wow. Wow.
This is
beautiful.
Reflections Copenhagen.
Okay, let me check of the gifts too. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Unbelievable. A knife. This is a color, Shabbos color. Matches, a pishke, beautiful, decorated. You leave your versteigt, gets wrapped, beautiful over. It's a vanity set. Zoekst eine with a color.
Beautiful Shabbos color package.
Wow. Beautiful.
Anything and everything.
It's beautiful stuff here, Liam. Wow. Candlesticks over here.
We have a beautiful liquor set for a roof. Any nice occasion.
Wow.
A simcha.
Look at the set. Ich weiß schon a roof, Jolis. Not to this bakimen. Beautiful. High-end. Luxury. What's of days that?
Star Madison Avenue store. All beautiful high-end brands.
Welche line, laat me zeggen, welche company it is?
Baccarat. All the beautiful crystals, reflections.
Wow.
This is a beautiful diffuser line now for the country. It's very popular. Your bungalow.
Jeder kommt da an the bungalow, the schmeckt that. You want to get that smell out. If you have a nice bungalow,
we got you covered.
We got you covered over here. Nice scent. You want to buy your friend for the bungalow a nice diffuser? This is the place. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful diffusers. Beautiful stuff to put around.
Baccarat butterflies.
This is the Baccarat butterflies. Someone wants to decorate the house, decorate the bungalows. Wow. Joili, die hast. Hast the Keuches du. Hast what sie wasen. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous line. The vase is the vase. Wie sagt man das? Vase oder vase?
Vase.
Vase. Allemaal noch leukes. Nein, sagt das vase. Lass uns sehen, da boxes takke du. So you have a full line of Animate hast du Tischdeche, nice tablecloth, beautiful line, nice boxes. So I ordered a gift, it's in a beautiful, beautiful Decodine box. I tell people, the name itself is the gift. You don't have to put anything in the box. Not a box, because I like it.
Decodine.
You give a Decodine box to somebody with a Decodine bag, just for them to walk on the street. So with a Decodine bag, it's a shongit. Yoitze. All type of beautiful dishes. Wow. Joili, that's a good for you. That's the Upstate store ook, yeah?
We have a beautiful store in the Mountain Square Mall the last few years. A gorgeous, nice, big store. It's worth a trip.
It's worth a trip?
Joili, check it out.
Ich ga auf dort. See you there. We said we're gonna come visit in Upstate and do them at the Mountain Square Mall. Decodine. Lass mal da checken, du. Like we said, we're gonna come check it out. Lass mal da checken. Wow! Shee! Die zegt dag. I didn't believe you have a full store here. Gorgeous. This is shine.
Worth the trip?
It was worth the trip. Ich habe a store treffen mich jeden Tag. Die ist dachten der einzige store upstate, nein?
Yes, we're the only gift shop in Upstate. We have a beautiful selection, all kinds of gifts that you can see.
Ich habe a kick. Wow!
And not only gifts, today people don't have any more small jungalows. They have beautiful summer houses.
So it's a handige summer house, darf man zeggen.
People have nicer houses upstate than in Brooklyn. So if they need anything nice you need, a beautiful tablecloth, a beautiful lachte, a gorgeous vase, candlesticks, glasses, nice diffusers, Anything and everything we have here. One-stop shop.
Wow, flowers. Was mit color package auch du hast?
Beautiful selection, full jewelry boxes, cosmetic bags, vanity sets, fashion jewelry. Here you can see some beautiful setups we made for people.
Geba kick. Shabbos Nachmi.
Anything for Chusen, challah covers, challah board, full selection, fully stocked up. We do delivery all over the mountains.
Wow. Look what you have all the items like you have in Brooklyn. Wow, all these beautiful.
You go to a barbecue, we got you covered.
What size was it for barbecues?
All beautiful wooden bowls, trays, sectionals.
This is what we saw in Brooklyn, Boro Park. Alles hast to do. Wow. Chevre. This is something that you cannot miss. Located in Mountain Square Mall in Monticello. Wow. Yoeli, I gekauft a nice summer home. This is impressing. You want to send a nice gift? This is the place. I'm a chitten. A Chusen, a Kalle, the Upstate. This is the one-stop shop. Kimt around du. Schick that WhatsApp. Wir so schicken it for the bungalow, a nice, shiny, beautiful item. This is the place. Wow. Look what they have over here. Beautiful stuff. Wow. Yoeli, wie man machen allemaal Perlowitz promotion. What's the handling promotion?
Mention the Perlowitz show, getting 10% off on your Upstate order, first order.
Wow, Chevre, order your first order. That's on a bankel, a pillow, throw pillow, beautiful, anything. You get 10% off when you mention the Perlowitz show, Chevre. So, schick a message for Yoeli. I like the phone number on the screen. Call, text, WhatsApp. What they have in stock, they'll send you pictures. Ja, eine lief daran, and schick WhatsApp, you send them a picture, what you have.
We do everything.
Challah board, this, send it over.
Gorgeous selection of diffusers, your summer houses.
But the handling of summer homes. So at the end of the day, it's a summer home, it's a bungalow, and it needs a good diffuser to make it.
We have nicer houses here than in Brooklyn.
Yeah. So you need a nice diffuser. Chevre, check it out, dude. The exact address here is
321 East Broadway, Mountain Square Mall. Hope to see you.
Yeah, for Shabbos Nachem. Maybe has to have a gift already. So Yoeli's waiting to see you before Shabbos Nachem. Mention the Perlowitz show for a free 10% off, not a free, for 10% off on your first order. Order here upstate. And mention Mochen Zimbe. Meet them in Brooklyn. Once you hooked on to Deco Dine, you're hooked on. Hot my lechting and took Yoeli and Shkoy for bringing me up here.